gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Today, I have got something of a very special, probably quite divisive, unboxing.
It's the biggest waste of money that I think that you've ever had.
Either way, it's iconic. This is an iconic piece. An iconic unboxing. I am twinning with a very fabulous person here on the internets. I have another fabulous person here on the internets to thank for this piece. And I'm in a huge amount of trouble with a certain lion for buying this because he really is not a fan. Not a fan in the slightest. This piece came from the lovely Romina Rose May, my friend here on the luxury YouTubes. We did a vlog recently where we met up in Harrods for a day of shopping with the lovely Hannah of So Much Design with Hannah. I didn't know she was going to be selling this piece until a little bit later when she did her vlog sale, and I said, I need to have it. I was inspired by Dale of Dale's Addiction. As soon as she unboxed this, I knew I had to have one as well, and I've just been biding my time. Anyway, Romina posted this to me. She doesn't like posting luxury pieces through the post. This is the brand boxing. It is, or packaging, this is from JW Anderson. I have an JW Anderson piece here. This crochet fish, we call him Terry Turbot. He's not a turbot. Can we just say how cool this packaging is? Like, I am keeping this packaging, and Romina kept this packaging obviously because she was able to send it to me. It's very cool packaging. I love it. I love this sort of cardboard thing, and it slides out. Anyone with any guesses want to put it down in the comments section before the big reveal. And then it is this corrugated cardboard, and it does a little cheeky. Very, very cool packaging, and I understand why this is packaged in such a way. It is to keep the thing safe. Now let's have a look at the thing. Oh, I'm so tickled by this. Hello. Hello. Now, Dale of Dale's Addiction has one of these little feathery friends, and he's become known as Gary, and therefore all pigeons in the world have become known to be known as Gary. I have a dilemma here. Romina named this pigeon here Fran, but should it be Gary? Love this packaging. It was in like a little clear plastic thing as well to help take it out, but I didn't want that in shot when I opened it. Eek! Look at that pigeon shaped hole in the corrugated cardboard. It's so cool. I love it. I'm keeping this packaging. This is going to have to go up on a shelf somewhere, and just like that, I have my very own JW Anderson pigeon bag, made famous on the TVs by Carrie Bradshaw in And Just Like That, when she wore this with a little boiler suit, and made famous on the luxury YouTubes by Dale of Dale's Addiction with her Gary. And I wanted one of these so badly. These retail for 650 Great British pounds, and they are available. Romina was selling hers for a fraction of that, and I saw that as my sign. That was my sign to go ahead, go forth. Look at those beady little eyes and little, oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Go forth and purchase. So I am absolutely delighted with this. The lion hates birds. All birds. Sorry, Debs. I know Debs hates birds as well. That's Wild Unfiltered. Sorry, Debs. Look away. Sorry, lion. This is a bag. Got a hollow pigeon. A hollow pigeon with a little wing that pops up, and Dale recently showcased this in her Jerusha tag. She mentioned, oh, was this a bit of colour transfer? And I can confirm it is not a bit of colour transfer. It is part of the design. If you are new to my channel, then hiya, I'm Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms, including insane little pieces like this iconic pigeon bag. Then you should probably get down there, hit subscribe, ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury-based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. We'll see if anything useful will fit into this bag. But I am going to say now, it's a bit of a moot point whether anything fits, because the lion has flat out refused to be seen in public with me, with this bird. So he is most likely going to be on a shelf where the lion can't see it. I'd like to have him on here, part of my little backdrop, but it means then it'll be visible in all my videos. And honestly, I cannot tell you how much the lion hates birds. In general, this one specifically, he had some very unkind things to say about him. Okay, I know that I have dragged you away from cooking dinner. Here's a glass of wine.
Thank you.
I think you might need it.
Yep.
Because I want to introduce you to... I know you've been looking forward to this. As yet unnamed. Thoughts, chat?
I mean, it's fun and quirky, right? I mean, it's probably JW Anderson at his best. It's one of the most iconic stuff that he's done.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It's probably impractical, but other than that, you know, I mean, I think it's alright for what it is. Yeah.
What?
I'm joking. None of that's true, right? Well, it's the biggest waste of money that I think that you've ever had with this. I don't understand why you would want to do it. No, pigeons are filthy. They're rats with wings, right? Why would you want to walk around with a bit? And it's heavy. I mean, it's heavy before you even put anything in it. And that's going to be limited what you can put in there. You wouldn't get your phone in there. Would you get your phone in there?
I did try.
Well, it's not coming out. Ugh.
Or it might.
I don't understand, right? I don't get it, right? A prop on a TV programme, yes. A handbag for you to carry, well, a clutch for you to carry round. I don't want to bring it near me. I'm probably going to catch something off of it. It's a rat with wings. I mean, the fact that you're going to carry it around, people would look at you and go, why is you carrying a pigeon around with her? It makes no sense, does it? It's the kind of thing that we put in the garden to draw pigeons in so our cats could kill them.
Okay, well, thank you for humouring me. I will find somewhere to put him that you won't...
The bin?
Kiss?
No way.
So chances are you're not going to see this in many outfit of the day shots or out and about on any vloggy vlogs, because the lion just will not... What are you looking at? What are you looking at? The lion just absolutely will not have it. He just won't have it at all. But I love it. I think it's fun. He does actually really like Terry Turbot. I had this on a wish list video, and the lion bought him for me for Christmas a couple of years ago, or last year, I can't remember when. It's all a bit of a blur now. This bag opens here and is just a little bit of a crochet hole. You've got the JW Anderson tag in there, so you've got to make sure the gills are on the outside. You can carry it on the shoulder. We've got like a little button thing here, or you can unbutton this and then sort of sling it over your shoulder like you have literally just got off the boat and caught it. We've got the JW Anderson little anchor logo on there, which you can take off if you so wish. I thought he would really hate this, and he really liked it, and he bought it for me as Christmas present. I thought he was going to really hate this, and I was 100% correct. He really does hate this pigeon. I think he's great. Let's have a look and see what does fit. I've been using this M&S straw bag for the last couple of days, heading out, running around, doing some errands. I've got my Louis Vuitton key pouch. That one is from 2003. It's an oldie, my ride or die. I've got my Tiffany card holder that I picked up in Tiffany's in the flagship store in New York with the Handbag Tribe. I've got my lipstick and a couple of other things in here. I've got my round coin purse because a lot of places around here do take just cash, and I've been using my Gucci key pouch as a tiny little catch-all for things like paracetamols and Rennies, because I always like to be prepared. So let's see what, if any of this, actually fits in the pigeon. And we are going to come back to the naming thing because I don't know what to do with the naming thing. Do not know what to do. Oh, I forgot to say, it's got JW Anderson on the inside there, and then it's a magnetic wing. It's a magnetic opening wing, and the magnet is quite strong, so... And obviously, because he's got feet, he'll stand up by himself, which I think is really great. So let's see what can go in here. It's a bit of an awkward shape. Will a card holder go in? Not really, no. Card holder won't go in. Let's try an individual card. Just got my Volvo charging card there. Individual card, no problem. So you could probably chuck a few individual cards in there. That's not a problem. That'll work. It's all very, because he's belly shaped, he's round shaped, it's all very curvy. Let's see. I'm going to take the card out because I want to see if the key pouch will fit in, because it's a little bit slimmer than a card case. No, so it's individual keys only. If that one's not going to fit in, then the Gucci's not going to fit in, because that is slightly more puffy and slightly larger. Oh, he tickles me so much. And my round coin purse. So anything you put in here is going to have to go in loose, like a lippy, like a card. But, you know, if you're out on a hot date with your pigeon, what else? What else do you need? What did Carrie have in hers? Was it cigarettes, lipstick and some mints or something like that? I haven't actually watched and just like that. What? Oh, I love him. I do. Carrie, like this. Like this. Oh, I absolutely love him. As soon as I opened him, I took a picture, obviously let Romina know that he'd arrived safe and sound, sent a picture to Dale and said, got a new friend in the Hizzy collection house, handbag house, and she was absolutely delighted, and we started to try and brainstorm some names. Claude was a name that came up. So is he a Gary? Obviously he's a Gary because he's a pigeon and all pigeons are Gary. But is he an Gary, or is he another named Gary in a world of Garys? Is he going to be a Claude in a world of Garys? Please let me know your thoughts. I can't wait to see what you guys think of this. In the comments section down below. I think he's fabulous. I am going to work on the lion so he can come out maybe on a date night with us or something. But I do not hold my breath, and I'd rather you didn't as well, to see him in any vloggy vlogs or anything like that. He's probably just going to be on a shelf where only I can see him. When the lion comes in to talk to me, he does not like him at all. And there's something, I think it's like a primal thing about birds that he's got. The claws, it's the eyes, the beaks, the little dinosaur thing. It's unfortunate because I think the three of us would have a lot of fun out and about together. Let's have a bit of Vic and Bob. I mean, I know he's not a dove. I know he's not a dove, but still. If you know, you know. Let me know what you think of, we'll call him Gary, Franny Gary, Fragani. We'll come up with a name. Help me out with a name. Let me know what you think of him. I love him. I would like to have him in the backdrop on my little display in future videos, but get down in the comment section and let me know what you think of him. If you have enjoyed this bit of silliness, then please do show this video the bit of thumbs up love. Go and give it a like, and until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye. You just remembered something.
Yeah, I just want to make sure that we are attributing blame for this in the right place. And there is one person that's responsible for this, and you know who you are. Your addiction is bad. It's bad for everybody. There's one of those in my life now because of you. You wait till I come and see you next year.